You need a new clean desktop. Well, just press the Windows key plus Control plus D or Control plus Up if you use a Mac. It'll switch to a new, fresh desktop. Go. Number 2. Switch between virtual desktops. To get it back, push the Windows key plus Control or the Control key on a Mac. Now, you can switch between all the virtual desktops you've made by using the left and right arrow keys. When you're done with the second task, and sure you no longer need that desktop, you can close it by pressing the Windows key plus Control plus F4. On a Mac, hold down the Option key and click on the X signs that appear over any open desktop spaces to close them. Number 3. Return to the desktop from Apps. If you have too many apps open and you need to use another one hidden behind all those windows on your desktop, you don't need to minimize them all one by one. You can minimize all of them at once by pushing the Windows key plus M. You can also take a peek at your desktop with the Windows key plus comma or Command plus F3 for OS. Number 4. Open an app from the taskbar. The Windows key plus a number key from 1 to 9. Each number represents an app in your taskbar from the left to right, and this combo will bring up the necessary one. Number 5. Split screen between two apps. Open one app that you need for your work and press the Windows key plus left arrow. Then, open another app and click the Windows key plus right arrow. Now, two windows are sharing your screen. Number 6. Switch apps. Pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Tab will show you all the apps currently running on your PC. Again, Mac is just Ctrl plus Tab. Another way to open the task view, press the Windows key plus Tab. And finally, there's the hotkey Alt plus Tab or Command plus Tab on a Mac that will allow you to swap programs without previously displaying them, like a deck of cards. Number 7. Program management and troubleshooting. Control plus Shift plus Escape or Command plus Option plus Escape if you're working on a Mac. It'll open the Task Manager, which will help you force quit any malfunctioning app or stop the ones that aren't responding. Number 8. Open File Explorer. Pressing the Windows key plus E opens the File Manager window on your PC. For Mac users, this is your Finder app. 9. Use the magnifier. The Windows key, combined with the plus or minus key, will open the magnifier app, which allows you to zoom in and out wherever you point your cursor. The same goes for Mac OS, but you need to use the combination of Alt, Command, and plus to zoom. Number 10. Take screenshots. Use the Windows key plus Print Screen to take a screenshot and immediately save it in the image folder on your hard drive. Mac also lets you take screenshots by pressing Command plus Shift plus 3. But for you, it gets even cooler. If you push 4 instead of 3, you'll be able to choose what part of your desktop you want to snap a picture of, or even take a screenshot of only one exact window. Number 11. Use Action Center. Set up Bluetooth, connect with devices in your network, use your PC as a Wi-Fi hotspot, turn notifications on and off. Those and many other functions in newer versions of Windows are available in one place called Action Center. To open it, simultaneously press the Window key plus A. For Mac users, your Notification Center is always a click away in the top right-hand corner. 12. Access the settings. If you need more tweaking or access to more advanced parameters of your PC, you can have it all. Use the Windows key plus I to do just that. 13. Talk to Cortana or Siri. To open Cortana on Windows in listening mode, press the Windows key plus C. And to summon Siri on Mac OS, hold Command and space together. 14. Use the Windows game bar, pressing the Windows key plus G to set up recording manually. But that's not all. Game bar itself has a hotkey for starting and stopping recording. Just press Windows plus Alt plus R. You can even start streaming by pushing the Windows key plus Alt plus B. Mac OS also has its own feature for capturing videos, and it's really simple to use. Press Shift plus Command plus 5 to record the screen using QuickTime Player. 15. Lock down your PC. Simply push the Windows key plus L or Shift plus Command plus Q on a Mac. Just make sure you set up your password first and don't forget it. Pretty cool, huh? Be sure to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe to always stay on the bright side of life.